Hello and welcome to Side Hustle with Gordon. As you probably worked out, I'm Gordon. On this channel we show you simple tools and strategies to help you build an online income, especially if you're just getting started or just looking for a bit of a side hustle. If you're going to be involved in online marketing, you are probably going to need to build a list and email them with things that you would like them to buy. So today we're looking at three of the biggest mailing companies, the mailing platforms, MailChimp, Aweber and Systeme.io. I'll explain why I recommended them to you in particular, especially if you're just starting out, as we go through. Let's start by making a broad overview of their features and sales funnel options and compare their pricing structures. That's the best place to start. Now let's look at MailChimp first. We're on the MailChimp page now. And we've got the price here at the moment in US dollars, which I think will be helpful. So MailChimp are a big brand name. They're very popular with small businesses. Their first free plan starts at 500 contacts. So it's 500 names on the list. And it will be free for 14 days, and then it goes to $20 a month. And this is the one we want to talk about because the rest don't give you everything that you need. You can see the crosses starting down here. So the standard situation is it gives you 24/7 support. It'll give you pop-up forms and all the bits and pieces you need to produce good emails to your clients. The situation is it starts free for 14 days and then it becomes $20 US a month. The problem with MailChimp is that it grows. As it grows, pricing climbs really quickly. What I mean by that is the 500 deal here, the standard deal, gives you 12 times the number of people you have on your list, okay, to send emails in that month. So you can sell, in this case, 500 times 12 is 6,000 emails to your list each month. The problem with that is if you take that to send, promote something to somebody that you would like them to buy, is normally going to be 7 or 8 emails. Let's call it 7. And 7 emails to 500 people is 3,500 emails. If you then send 2 promotions a month, that becomes 7,000 emails. And you're only allowed 6,000 under this plan. So what happens now if you go up to the next level, which is 1,500 people, the maximum of 1,500, the price has now gone up to $45 a month. So it's over doubled. And the price continues to rise like this as you grow. So the more people you put on the list, the bigger the numbers become, the more that you're going to pay. It's a good product. MailChimp has been around for a lot of years. It's a big brand name, very popular with small businesses. Landing pages and funnels. Now, that's a bit of a problem. It has a basic landing page builder, but no real sales funnels. And you'd usually need to go onto something like OptimizePress, ClickFunnels, or Leadpages in order to develop it properly. It's best for established businesses who mainly send newsletters. Now, the next one that I'd like to talk to you about is Aweber. Aweber have some very nice pasta, as you can see. This is talking about how they can build really nice newsletters for you with different headings and different colors and all those sort of things, and they're very, very good at that. You can design with Canva, you've got theme settings, Smart Designer, it just goes on. They've got some really great stuff. They'll even do a special done for you service, which is currently running reduced from $599 to $79 to launch your email marketing business. They have a free plan for 500 subscribers as well. And excuse me, I'll put it on the monthly fee. As you can see, if you pay monthly, not annually, it's $30 a month. If you pay annually with these guys, it comes down to $20 a month, but you have to pay the $240 up front. Now, especially if you're just starting out, you may not want to do that. You may want to be in a situation where you're going to want to go along on a monthly basis, and then if it looks like it's all going wrong for you for some reason, you can sneak out of it. You haven't paid the $240 up front. They have they have a really great product here. They have a very similar situation though. 12 times the number of subscribers is the volume max on a monthly basis. for just about all of them. And in order to increase that, of course, you have to increase the number of people on the list. But again, watch what happens when we go up to the next level, which is 1,000 to 2,500. Now we're suddenly up to $55 a month. If you go up to 5,000, it's $120 a month. So if you want to build yourself a decent list, that's going to cost you a lot of money. Let's go back. Look, I'll leave it on that one. That's $55 a month, 1,000 to 2,500, and I'll show you why I left that there in a moment, because it's a good way to give you a better idea of what's going on. The landing pages and funnels they have offer are quite simple, but they do work. They'll do a job for you, but you will probably still need something like OptimizePress to build your landing pages and to build a website to make that all work. So, okay, let me just see what else I had here on my list to tell you. It's probably best for people that want a no-frill email delivery, no frills type situation. Okay, let's move along to Systeme. Systeme have some great features. One of their main feature, though, is to stop using a different tool for every part of your online business. You can forget about clunky marketing tools that make you lose your hair. As you could see, that's what happened to me. And we've made it easy to grow your online business. Now, they've got some great tools. They've got business automation. They've got a website builder. They've got sales funnels, email marketing, affiliate management, online courses. There's a whole heap of stuff in here that you can do that you cannot do on the other two. So let's get down to the most important bit of all of this. And I mean, look, you can troll down here, automate your marketing. As they say in their advertising, the only tool you'll need to launch your online business. So let's move along to their pricing. And as you can see, their pricing is totally different. On a monthly billing, they have a free system, completely free, and it stays free, providing you don't grow too big, but it gives you a chance to start for nothing, not just have it for 14 days. The next one is $17 a month, and the next level after that is $47 a month. But let's go back to the 17, because that's comparable to the ones we've been looking at 55s and 60s. Now, what was it? 45 and 55. And this is why they allow you up to 2,000 contacts on the free plan. You might remember the other two were 500 on the first paid plans. On the first paid plan here at $17 a month, they'll let you have up to 5,000 contacts. But the more important thing is that the emails in all of their packages are unlimited. It's not 12 times the number of people. You can keep sending emails all month, and that's fantastic. Now, there's two ways to send emails. One is what they call a broadcast or a newsletter email, and again, on those, they are unlimited. There's also email campaigns. On the freebie, you only get one campaign. That's when you're setting up, say, 10 emails in a run, and you've only got one that you can do it on. So that gives you a chance to test the water for nothing. When you go into the startup plan, which is only $17 a month, you can go up to 10 email campaigns, which is just brilliant. And on top of that, this includes sales funnels. It includes evergreen webinar setups. It includes, they've even got their own booking calendar that you can add to your website. So really the whole situation is much better set up, especially if you're a beginner. The overall comparisons are that MailChimp is polished, it has good templates, but funnel options are limited and extra cost. Aweber is solid for email delivery, but again, landing pages, funnels are minimal. Systeme.io includes funnels and landing pages in the free plan, which is a huge win if you're starting up. Systeme.io is definitely the best one, especially for beginners, and it's got so many extras in it that you don't have to pay for. It's going to save you quite a bit of money in setup. Now, if you'd like to try Systeme.io, I'll put a link below the video here, so you can just click the link and go and have a look and sign up, and that's fantastic. And that would be my choice. If you're looking to start up in this industry and you need an email client, that's the way to do it. The other thing I will put under here too is we have a great little program that I'd love you to take a look at. Systeme even see the training in this program even tells you how to set up Systeme. It's called Funnel Franchise, as you see in the top left-hand corner, and it is a step-by-step guide in how to set up your own online affiliate marketing business. Not only is it simple, you work your way through, it's free to start, and you can get access to everything in free training. I mean, just look at the free training here: traffic training, Facebook posts, shorts for videos, list building, how to build list building, and get that going. And there's some more training coming very soon on blog creation. So if you want to take a look at Funnel Franchise and everything that's involved in that, if you'd like to get started in affiliate marketing and do it for free right at the start, I'll add a link below this video for Funnel Franchise as well. It'll probably be a link that says start free. Keep your eyes open for that one. Thanks very much. See you in the next video.